Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Oh buddy, it looks like I'm after this red Jeep right here, but it looks like I'm blocked in, guys. In fact, uh I am. There's no way I can squeeze this out of this little space. But you know what, guys? What is this, a Ram 1500? Let's do something, guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take this time to show y'all something. Okay, the door is unlocked, and there's nothing in front of me, guys. What is this? Yes, it's a rotary shift, guys. It's just so you know, any cars equipped with electronic rotary shifter has to have a way. In fact, they all have to have a way for you to override the shifter, okay? In the event, just say, guys, your battery dead, you can't even turn it and put it in neutral. So you must, I think it's the law if I'm not mistaken, there must be a way to override the shifter, guys. As a matter of fact, I will show y'all what's Dodge 1500, guys. If that's a rotary shifter, it likely has an 8-speed transmission in it. Shift override somewhere near the shifter, guys. In this particular car, because this is a rotary, you have to have a way to get it's in here, guys. So hopefully you got your key or something sharp on you, important. I happen to have a screwdriver in my pocket. Go figure. All right, the purpose of that, guys, you got to get inside of here. Yes, this particular model, they are hiding the shift override cable right here, guys. Okay, keep in mind this is a Dodge Ram 1500. Okay, so I'm finna get inside of it and put my foot on the brake, and we're gonna roll down some as soon as this other stupid truck get out of my way. But I figured I'd take the time out to show you guys how to do this. All right, so we have the cover removed, guys. Now, here's the orange string you have to pull to go in the shift override. But notice right off the bat, you cannot just grab this and pull. See what I'm doing? There's a release mechanism right here, guys. So that same object that you use to remove this cover, whether it be a key or a small screwdriver or whatever, you're gonna need to push this little tab right here in. Let me get y'all a closer view. This right here. It's gonna have to go inward. Here's the same screwdriver that I use to get the cover off. See that? With me doing that, you got to do it at the same time. So when you move that over, now you will be able to pull the string. All right, let me see if I can do it using one hand. All right, guys, so I have my lever over. Now I can pull the string. Make sure your feet on the brake because you are about to roll in the event you're on an incline. All right, so just pull. Now, guys, we're in neutral. So we're basically in neutral because this is locked in place at the time, right now. So you can unlatch that, but right now I just want to roll. As y'all can see, I am rolling. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, I am rolling, creating space for that Jeep to drive out. That looks about enough room right there. All right, now keep in mind, that's the first thing I was about to reach for, to put it in park, but there is no such. All right, so we got to use this to put it in park, the same way we use to get it in neutral. All right, guys, so because it was latched into place, the same tool you use to slide that yellow tab over, you're gonna need it again to unlatch it out of place. I've already activated, so now I can release it. Now it's back in the same spot. Okay, and from there, guys, just put your cover back on. But that is the emergency way to activate your shift override in the event there is an emergency. Just simply put the cover back on. All right, in the event your battery dead, or tow truck drivers should really know this information, but every car, let me say this again, every car has to have some form of shift override. Guys, the car industry is changing right before our eyes. Now, this is 2015. This is a physical key, but it's not a blade key. So that is technology in itself. Now, with most of the newer cars, it's simply push button, push to start. Everything is changing, whether you like it or not. You can't say, I want a car with a blade. You can't say, I want an actual physical shifter if you want a new car, because the new cars are changing right before our eyes. So you just gonna have to change along with it and learn the process as you go, because you have no choice. All right, guys, now I can proceed to doing what I was doing. Now, I don't know if the customer or mechanic gonna come out and get this and notice it was moved, but I'm only interested in getting my Jeep out, getting this Jeep out so I can go drive it. Yeah, y'all see all that room now? Ooh, did I go up enough? Yeah, I went up enough. I just probably should have went up a little bit more. All right, guys, that's all I have.